friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG 27QN850-B monitor. So friend, LG unveiled the 27QN850-B, a 27-inch WQHD liquid crystal display, and this display features an IPS panel method with 99% sRGB coverage. And friend, the estimated market price is approximately $299, and friend, it is designed with an IPS LCD panel that covers 99% of the sRGB spectrum, and in terms of dynamic range it is compatible with HDR10, and one of its significant features is the USB Type-C port which supports video input, data transfer, and delivers power up to 60 watt to devices, and these inclusion allow user to establish a connection to a PC using a singular cable. And friend, the display showcases roughly 16.77 million colors and possesses a brightness level of 350 cadmium per meter square. The contrast ratio stands at 1000 jam1 with a response time of 5 milliseconds, and the refresh rate maximum out at 75 Hz. And friend, you can accept consistent viewing from various angles with 178-degree visibility both horizontally and vertically. Interface option include HDMI 2 ports, DisplayPort 1 port, USB Type-C 1 port, headphone output 1 port, USB downstream 2 ports, and audio input is facilitated through speakers with 5 watt on each channel. And friend, the integrated stand offers flexibility in display positioning. It can tilt between -5 to 20 degrees, pivot at 90 degree, and allow height adjustment up to 110 mm. And friend, for those looking to mount a display, it is compatible with VESA mounts having a pitch of 100 into 100 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.